Music. Want better credit? This is your 800 Credit Repair review. I'll cover features, who it's for, and how it works. Learn more or get started using the links below. 800 Credit Repair helps people quickly improve their credit scores and fix credit report errors. It's perfect if denied loans, high interest rates, or poor credit are holding you back. 800 Credit Repair starts with a complete credit analysis. Their team identifies negative items like late payments, charge-offs, collections, and inaccuracies impacting your score. They then challenge questionable items directly with credit bureaus and creditors. Dedicated credit specialists guide you through each step, keeping you informed and offering personalized advice. 800 Credit Repair also provides educational resources to help you understand credit and avoid future problems. They're proud of their fast results, and many clients see improvements within months. Customizable plans suit various budgets. If you're ready to let professionals handle the complexity of credit repair, 800 Credit Repair is a great option. Take control of your credit journey. Check the links below to see if 800 Credit Repair is right for you.